Just a play date to you.
Wow, they can shake to the east and west. That's why they are the best. Okay, kids, mommy, daddy, what can you say about their dancing? How they dance good? Yes. Bravo.
What's bravo?
It gives me goosebumps, bro.
Did you like their dancing?
Yeah,
Did you like their dancing?
of course.
This is total disaster.
Don't tell me that you can dance better than them. What is your props?
Put something on. Come on, everybody. I'm gonna show you dancing, alright? Look. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow, this is a good one. Hey, faster. More faster.
Faster, faster.
Hold on, bro. I'm impressed. Where did you learn this move?
My mom,
How?
she clean like this. Coco, how is my dancing? I don't look like Fifi Abdo?
No?
Coco, don't embarrass me, new people. Am I a good dancer? Such an embarrassment. You know what? Dance some more!
One more time, bro. Asuraj.
Suraj, am I a good dancer? Nice. Look at the eyes, he's scared sometimes. Suraj, I'm very peaceful, buddy. Alright, everybody, let's give a big round of applause to James. Now, Coco is the most intelligent parrot. Everything you're gonna hear is Coco. Listen, Coco, you wanna say something in Arabic?
Coco, say hello to everyone in Arabic.
Wa alaikum salam. You wanna say something in English?
Coco, ask everybody, how are you?
Everybody doing great. Coco, give me a sound of a cat. Angry dog. When you see a beautiful lady, what do you do? Okay, your friend have a birthday. What you gonna sing? Now you went without the present. What do you do?
Hey, don't be like me.
DJ, nobody's like you. Alright, I wish I never asked you anything. Roll your cameras all the way from my favorite cartoon, Rio. Let's welcome the lovely Toucan!
Tucanos.
Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna show you something cool. These birds are very friendly. They cannot fly for long distance. ما في أطير مسافة بعيدة. They have very short wings. The wings are too small. They cannot carry their weight. Which one is the boy? Which one is the girl? What do you think? لا بابا انت واقف. افتح الكفين. ايوه لا هذا الكبار هذا الكبار. هلا بعد شوي I'll call you for the other one. اوكي بابا خلي الكفين little cup. ايوه. Which one is the boy? Which one is the girl? What do you think? This is the girl. You are absolutely right. I like it.
What is it, bro?
You know, actually he got it right. He said, Shukran Babo. He said the one with the small beak is the girl because she did the nose surgery. Very nice. Alright, who else wanna join? Adults, حدا من الكبار. مين ضمن علم الكبار? Buddy, come. You are old enough. Come. You can do it. Come. Stand here. Yes. Okay. افتح الكف. هيك. هيديك تاني one. Yes, perfect. Alright. خليها مثل الكاب. أيوة. شو rule number 1? Do you know rule number 1? Anyone knows rule number 1?
What is the rule?
Don't eat the bird's food.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Stay like that. Now these birds are very important to the environment. Whenever they eat the fruit, they always spread the seed back in the ground for it to grow all over. Very nice, everybody. Let's give him a big round of applause also. Nice. Don't worry, if she takes a finger, we have fingers.
Yes, available.
This size, you have.
It's small, yeah.
Don't move your hand, don't move your hand. Very nice, everybody. Let's give him one more applause. Nice. Thank you. Now, I'm gonna introduce you to my favorite girl, Fatati Al-Mufaddala. She come all the way from Australia and I call her the White Angel.
Al-Malaku, Abiyan.
What did you say?
الملاك أبيض, the white angel.
يا عم this guy like Netflix, my Arabic subtitles. The white angel doesn't come alone, she come with her BFF.
Dio, Dio.
Let's welcome Sophie Ann.
Dodo.
Would you like to make a race?
Sure, brother.
Choose a team.
Green, after.
Who wants to be with DJ with the green team? Raise your hand.
Yes, where will win?
Who wants to be with me with the white team? Alright.
You lose.
Rules are very easy and simple. Listen carefully. The one who finished last will be the winner.
I love it.
Ready? Fly.
That's the rules in the Olympics. The one who finishes fast will be the winner. Come on, Green, faster. One more. Yes, yes, yes. One more. Fly. Come on, Marlene.
Oh my
You can do
goodness.
it.
Oh my
You can do
goodness.
it.
I think
The one
I'm
who
winning.
finishes fast.
I think I'm
Hey, stay
winning.
there.
I
Stay
think
there.
I'm winning.
Stay
I think
there.
I'm winning. Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to the white team.
Wow, you win without cheating.
Unbelievable, huh?
Yeah.
I should want to
What do you drink today? Red Bull?
Red Bull? Yeah, Red Bull give you wings. Let's give a big round of applause to the birds. Thank you, trainers. Have you ever seen a bird? What? Have you ever seen a bird doing painting? Roll your cameras because this boy come all the way from Australia and he studied in Paris. And don't raise your hand. What are you raising? Relax. No, there's nothing. Only drawing now. So let's welcome the artist Jean Picasso. Jean Picasso is called the surfer cockatoos, عصافير الكاكاتوز. These birds they come in 4 different colors. بيجوا بأربع ألوان مختلفين. They come in white, black, gray and pink. أبيض، أسود، سهري ورمادي. All of them can live up to 8 years of age. بيقدروا يعيشوا ل 80 سنة. But the black palm is the only bird who can live up to 100 years of age. Funny fact, they find one partner and they stay together for 100 years.
Wow, you mean they can live for 100 years with one partner?
They can live 100 years with one partner.
Unbelievable. You know what, bro? Just like us.
What did you say?
Yes, just like humans.
You think humans can live 100 years with one partner?
Ask Baba.
Don't go anywhere, stay there. Who's gonna do it? Baba! Can you stay 300? Yani, I don't know if you can see it, but you gave me goosebumps. In the legs, you gave me goosebumps.
Bro, Baba on top.
Baba on
In the
top.
corner, in the corner.
In the corner.
Yeah.
Baba is busy with the kids now. Baba! Can you stay 100 years with one partner? Figure that no. Let's give Baba a big round of applause. Baba, you're gonna sleep on the sofa tonight. Without dinner. It's like every night. Now I want you to use your imagination. Look at the painting. What do you see? شو تشوفوا؟ خرابيش.